A stunning verdict in a South Florida federal court.
Hi, Chiquita banana.
Chiquita, the banana giant, found liable by a U.S. jury for funding a so-called Colombian death squad and ordered to pay more than a dozen relatives of victims a total of $38.3 million. It's a case that was decades in the making. From 1997 to 2004, Chiquita, then known as the United Fruit Company, paid a right-wing paramilitary group at least $1.7 million. The group, the United Self-Defense Forces of Colombia, or AUC, formed as a reaction to left-wing guerrilla groups during Colombia's civil war. Experts say the AUC often promised people and businesses protection from other armed threats. But as their power grew, so did the violence. The U.S. designated the AUC as a terrorist organization in 2001.
How common was it for corporations, companies, particularly those based in the United States, to be paying and or working in some form or fashion with these paramilitary groups?
At least 187 companies provided with financial support to these groups. Most of them, 90% of them, were domestic companies. But there have been some American companies.
Chiquita, a company headquartered in the U.S., pled guilty to making payments to a designated terrorist group in 2007 and agreed to pay a $25 million fine. The latest lawsuit began around the same time.
The plaintiffs in this case risked their lives to come forward. His son worked at a banana plantation and was killed. The AUC commander confessed. And so we had a ton of evidence about who killed him and why, and fell right within the period that Chiquita was paying the AUC.
Agnieszka Frischman, one of the lead lawyers for the plaintiffs, has worked on this case for close to 20 years and says the jury got it right.
How rare is it for a corporation to actually be held responsible for their involvement in human rights violations and or just nefarious activities?
It is actually very, very rare. This is, I think, the first corporate case I know of that has gone to trial. I think it sets a very important precedent, and it's really important for making sure that corporations that operate in places where the rule of law is not effective and strong see that they can be held to account in their home courts.
But the fight is far from over. Chiquita is a defendant in a suit filed in Medellin, Colombia, and the company tells NBC News they intend to appeal the U.S. jury's verdict, writing in part, quote, "The situation in Colombia was tragic for so many, including those directly affected by the violence there, and our thoughts remain with them and their families. However, that does not change our belief that there is no legal basis for these claims. While we are disappointed by the decision, we remain confident that our legal position will ultimately prevail." Ellison Barber, NBC News.
Thanks for watching. Stay updated about breaking news and top stories on the NBC News app or follow us on social media.